In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 error code 8198. We will cover all working fixes step by step. This includes the update troubleshooter, resetting the update cache, repairing system files, and restarting update services. Let us begin. First, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press Windows I to open Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let it scan and apply any recommended fixes. Restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. If the issue remains, reset the Windows Update cache. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click each service and select Stop. Open File Explorer, go to C Windows Software Distribution and delete all contents. Windows will recreate these files automatically. Return to Services and start both services again. Next, repair system files that may be corrupted. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scannow. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. Restart your PC if any files were repaired. If the error persists, repair the Windows image. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. This repairs system image issues using Windows Update. Restart your computer when it finishes. Now verify that update services are running. In Command Prompt, run these commands: netstart wuser v, netstart bits, netstart dos vc, netstart crips vc, netstart trusted installer, and netstart app IDs vc. These ensure all update services are active. Now check for updates again. Go to Settings, Windows Update, then check for updates. The error should now be fixed. Like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.